People want to know how to make money online for free more and more every day. They want to quit their boring, tiring, or otherwise bad jobs and be their own boss from the comfort of their own homes. They want to do this without spending any of the valuable resources they already have. Today, we will show you exactly how to do that. We will look at the best ways to make money online in 2022. And there is no catch, you don't need any money to start. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra money online if you're good at organizing and planning. As a virtual assistant, you might have to manage a business's social media pages, answer emails, and take phone calls, among other things. As the number of the solopreneurs goes up, there is a sharp rise in demand for the services of the virtual assistants. You can start by looking for work on sites like Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. Indeed.com says that the average hourly wage for a VA is $19.36. Some virtual assistants have also done well by building their own personal brands and promoting them to entrepreneurs and startups. You can do the same thing by making a Facebook business page, filling it with information about your business. You can make one for free and share it anywhere on the internet. Number 2. Do research online. Do you know how to use Google to find what you need? If so, you can make money online for free in a lot of different ways. Many businesses in many different fields hire web researchers to find the best and most reliable sources of information for them. Then, they give their clients this information to help them make better business decisions. You can apply to do their work if you have a computer and access to the internet. Wonder hires virtual researchers to help its clients find good answers to their questions. Some tasks may be to collect statistics, explain market trends, or figure out how competitors compare. 10EQs hires people who are experts in their fields and can do research and answer questions about their fields. You can apply to join 10EQ's team of experts if you know a lot about a certain industry and want to work on real research projects. You can also use Upwork and Indeed to look for internet research jobs. Number 3. Transcribe audio and video files. AI is becoming a tool that can help with speech-to-text transcription, but it's not perfect yet. Because of this, many companies hire transcriptionists to turn audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. You can get a part-time job with a company like Reeve, or you can work as a freelancer for different companies on different projects. Most places of work let you pick your own tasks and set your own schedule. The best part is that you can't have to pay anything upfront to transcribe. Just use the speakers that come with your computer. To do well as a transcriber, you will need to get better at typing. Your work should be free of mistakes and easy for your clients to understand. Start by transcribing short audio files so that you are ready to apply for jobs with companies that do transcription. Number 4. Join an affiliate program. Do you think you know enough about marketing to be good at? Join an affiliate program to promote products, services, or brands on different platforms and earn a commission. Once you are accepted, you will get a link that you can give to other people. If someone clicks on your link, then buys the products or service, you will get a commission and credit for the referral. The commission payout depends on the affiliate program and the product being promoted. For example, basic items on the Amazon's marketplace won't pay out much. But promoting digital services like web hosting could earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Contrary to what most people think, a marketer's income doesn't come from blog promotions and affiliate marketing. You can promote businesses and make money with social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook. Number 5. Start a channel on YouTube. Ever thought about making videos for YouTube? Today, all you need is a smartphone to make unboxing videos, how-to videos, and funny skits. And making a YouTube channel doesn't cost anything. By using your Google account to sign up into YouTube, you can make a new channel with your name or a different name. As the owner of a YouTube channel, you will have several ways to make money. Once you have 1,000 subscribers, you can start making money from your channel by putting ads on it. To make money from the YouTube channel, You can also work with brands on the sponsored content, sell goods, or become an affiliate. Focusing on one niche is the key to making a YouTube channel work. You could do beauty tutorials, reviews of the tech products, or daily roundup of the prices of the cryptocurrencies. Whatever you think will get more views, you could do it. Number 6. Become an online travel agent. Do you know where the best deals on flights and vacation packages can be found? Think about becoming a virtual travel agent and working from home. People pay travel agents to help them plan trips and vacations. Many people use travel agents to make their trips easier because the logistics like connecting flights, hotels, tours, etc. can be hard to figure out. To become an online travel agent, you don't need any special training. To plan a smooth trip for your clients on the budget they give you, you need to be able to do research and keep track of things. For help, you can work with other businesses to get discounts that you can give to your clients. Number 7. Sell photos online. If you take photos often or have a lot of pictures on your computer, you can sell them to stock agencies to make money. Every time someone downloads one of your photos, you will get a cut. This could be a fixed amount or a percentage, depending on how the stock image site works. The best places to sell your photos online are Burst, Shutterstock, LME, and iStock. You can make a lot of money if you build a nice collection around a certain theme. The best part is that you can sell every photo you upload over and over again. Though some websites might ask you to make them exclusive to their site. Number 8. Offer social media consultancy. Know how to get people to follow you on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Promote yourself as a social media consultant to sell your skills. Brands will get in touch with you to come up with creative ideas, make videos, and do other things. People who are good at social media can make a lot of money this way because they can use their existing profile as a portfolio. Use digital marketing groups and forums to get the word out about your portfolio. And also please subscribe to our channel Smart Your Biz. Our mission is to show you how to build a profitable business online with affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelance step by step. From your first step to your first customer. Smart Your Biz. Stop dreaming. Make it happen.